Hello everyone and welcome back. Finally today Samsung has announced the long-awaited Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. So which one you should get, let's find out. Starting off with the cheapest Galaxy Watch 5 model, which is 40mm in size, and it comes with a 1.2-inch Super AMOLED display. And now we have a sapphire display to protect it from scratches. And it is available on every Galaxy Watch 5 model. Watch comes with a price tag of $279 for the Bluetooth model. Talking about internals, watch is about 28 grams in weight, and it comes with exactly same W920 chipset from last year, while RAM has been increased to 1.5 GB for the Bluetooth model. Next we have the Galaxy Watch 5 44mm model, which has a 1.4-inch Super AMOLED display and a bigger battery at 410 mAh. Weight of this 44mm model is around 33 grams. You can pre-order this watch for $379, which I think so is a bit more considering watch has exactly same design like last year's Galaxy Watch 4. Both Galaxy Watch 5 40mm and 44mm are available in aluminum frame. Last one on the list is Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which has the biggest battery ever on a Wear OS smartwatch, and it is 590 mAh. Watch comes with a titanium case and sapphire 1.4-inch Super AMOLED display. There is no mechanical bezel on this smartwatch, but we do have a touch bezel. Despite having a bigger battery, Watch 5 Pro weighs only 46 grams. And that is an impressive thing. Talking about internals, it has the same W920 chipset and 1.5 GB of RAM with 16 GB of internal storage. This year, the only new sensor we are getting on Samsung's latest smartwatches is the body temperature monitoring sensor, which will be available on every Galaxy Watch 5 model. This year, Galaxy Watch 5 is also coming with fast charging feature, which will charge watch up to 45% in under 30 minutes. This is a claim from Samsung, but I'll test it out. Talking about price, Watch 5 Pro is starting from $449 for the Bluetooth model, and you can add extra $50 for the LTE model. About my personal views on Samsung's latest smartwatch, this might be their most boring launch ever. But anyways, I'll try to get Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and see if it's worth buying. Also, I'll test out that 590 mAh battery if it fixes last year's Galaxy Watch 4 poor battery life. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss any update. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.